10th class student, exercise 12.2, areas related to circle. Question number 1 is find the area of sector of a circle, that is figure. Circle O is center, radius is OA 6 semi, angle between two radius is equal to 60 degree. OA is equal to OB, radius of the circle. We find the area of sector, which angle is 60 degree. Dotted by, we find the area of the sector. The radius of circle is equal to 6 semi. Angle theta is equal to 60 degree. Area of sector AOB is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square is that formula. To find the area of sector, theta value is 60 degree upon 360, pi value is 22 upon 7, r value is 6, square 1 6. Next line is 1 upon 6 into 22 upon 7 into 6 into 6. 6 divided by 6, multiply 6 2 ja 12, 1 carry 6 2 ja 12 और 1 13 upon 7. Semi square is area of sector which asked in question. Question number 1 is complete. Question number 2. Question number 2 is find the area of quadrant which circumference is 22. That is circle. Quadrant is make the angle is 90. Radius circumference is 22 cm. This circumference is complete circle. Question number 2. Question number 2 is OA OB radius of circle. To find the area of quadrant, at first find the, we have angle theta is equal to 90 degree. To find the area of quadrant, quadrant of circle, formula is theta upon 360 pi r square. But we have the circumference. At first find the value of radius. Circumference of circle, complete circle, is 22 semi. To find the area of quadrant, at first we find the value of r. R means radius. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r is formula is 22 semi. 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 22. Then r is equal to 22 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 22 divided by 22, r 7 upon 2, semi is radius of the quadrant or circle. Then now the value r is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. We find the value of radius from the circumference. Theta is 90, 360, pi value is 22 upon 7 into r value we find square. 7 upon 2 square, 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36, 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 7 divided by 7, 2 divided by 22 is 11, 11 7 ja 77, 4 2 ja 8, 70 upon 8, semi square is area of quadrant with circumference 22 are given in question. Question number 2 is complete. Then question number 3. Question number 3 is length of the mint hand, that is clock, in 5 minutes. That is could be clock, angle, length of hands, minute hands 14 semi. 14 semi will be radius of circle. Question number 3. Question number 3. Length of mint hand. Hand is equal to, that is radius of will be 14 cm. Angle in 5 mint is equal to 1 mint is 36 upon 60 by 5. 6 6 ja 6 5 ja 30 degree. तो angle in 1 mint by is theta. Next is we find the area of sector of circle is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square is formula theta value is 30 degree upon 360 pi value is 22 upon 7 r value is 40. Putting the value 1 upon 12 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. 7 2 ja 14, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 2 11 ja upon 3 11 4 ja 44, 4 carry 11 1 ja 11 और 15 upon 3 semi square is swept by mint hand in 5 minutes. That area swept by this will be area of sector. Question number 4. Question number 4 is a chord of a circle, that is circle O is center. A chord of circle 10 semi. Chord is AB is chord which length 10 semi. Subtended angle at center right angle. Note a chord radius of circle. Chord subtended angle 90 at center radius is 10 semi. OA is equal to OB, both radii of circle. Angle is 30. We find the first part, minor segment and major segment. Question number 4. The radius of circle is equal to 10 semi. We find the area of minor segment and major sector. Pi value is 3.14. Angle theta is equal to 360 minus 4 major part. Three 60 minus 90 is equal to 270 degree. That is 270 degree will be angle of the major part. Why centralize angle, complete angle 360 degree. So theta is equal to 270 degree. Area of major sector. Major sector of circle is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square is formula. Theta value is 270 degree upon 360. Pi value is 3.14. R value is 10. 19 3 ja and 19 4 ja. 3 upon 4 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. After multiply upon 4, 3 3 ja 9. Divide by 4. Is equal to 8 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 1 carry, 9 4 2 divide by 4, 4 2 ja 8, 1 14, 40, 2 4 ja 12, 2 22 7 21, 1.25, 27.25 is centimeter square is area of major sector. We find the second part is complete. First part is minor segment. Minor segment, to find the area of at first find the area of major sector and theta is equal to 4 minor part. Is equal to 90 degree. R value is 10. Area of minor sector of circle is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square is formula. Theta is 90, 360 into 3.14, r value is 10. 19 4 ja 1 upon 4 into 3.14 into 10 divide by 2 is 5 and 10 into 10. After multiply 314 divide by 4. After divide 314 divide by 4. 4 7 ja 28, 3 4 4 8 ja 32.5 78.5 semi square is area of sector, minor sector. That is, we find the area of this part, dotted part. Second part is without dotted part. Then we want the area of dotted part. Dotted part, for find the dotted part. Area of sector, minor sector minus area of triangle. Triangle is area of right triangle AOB. Which side is 1 by 2 OA into OB. OA is base and OB is equal to base and perpendicular. Or height 2 5 10. After multiply 50 centimeter square. Area of triangle AOB. Area of minor segment. Area of minor sector. Area of minor sector minus area of triangle AOB. Then we find the 78.5 is area of sector minus 50. After minus 28.5 semi square is area of minor segment. Question number 4 is complete. Thank you.